Car Story research indicates this vehicle as low miles. Features also include premium sound system, rear view camera, high beam assist, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2014 Journey. Dodge Journey combines the practicality of an SUV with the comfort of a car, all while boasting a style all its own. The Journey's optional third-row seat, along with innovative features like a chilled beverage cooler and in-floor storage bins, make it a good and affordable alternative to a traditional minivan. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated side mirrors, traction control, remote keyless entry, FWD, headlights auto off, mirror memory, steel wheels, wheel covers, cruise control, trip computer. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.